Welcome to Working Bank Aspirant channel.
Hello all, good morning, welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, I'm again back with one more video of day 5 of pre-examination training of IBPS PO 2026. So the people who have not yet watched introduction day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 of pre-examination PET of IBPS PO 2026, please go and check, because there will be, on each day there will be different kind of sections including prelims and mains examinations. If you not yet watch, it will be very difficult for you to understand what kind of questions they are going to ask for each section. So please go and check. So this is the last day. It means like for the sections I am saying day 6 will be the mock link, so I'll just show the interface of the examinations, but day 5 will be the last section, which is of quant data analysis and interpretation. Guys, without any further delay, I just want to set up this video, because there are few days left for the examinations. I don't want to take more of your time, so that is the reason I just want to give a quick overview. Just I'll go through the type of questions here. I don't want to take time for each and every question. We'll just go through the type of questions here. Okay guys, okay, coming to day 5, which is of module 5, it is of quantitative aptitude, data analysis and interpretation. Okay, here they have been given some paragraph here. So how to solve the data analysis? Generally the people who are preparing, they already know that. If not, please pause and read it, because I don't want to go through all these questions. Generally, before going to solve, there will be like prelims and mains, right? So for prelims, it won't take much time for the to resolve to interpret the data. So but for mains, it will take time. If you practice more, it will be very easy. I feel like DI will be very easy section in the quant section, I feel. So even in SBI PO, I have been attempted 2 DIs. Third day I am unable to attend. So if possible, I'll try to make SBI PO exam analysis also, but I thought to make SBI PO IBPS PO analysis once after completion of IBPS PO2. So but now there is a less time for me to prepare for the examination, so I don't want to take more of your time. I don't want to waste my time too. So because these materials are not in PDF format, these are in readable format. That is the reason I'm making these videos, guys. That's it. And for the people who want to watch this pre-examination training, so the starting to this is the only introduction kind of for the DI. So for the DIs, percentage, ratio, proportions and averages, these 3 are important basic foundation type. So then coming to the questions, there are approximate questions that they have been given. Don't think these here, they have been given around 12 to 15 approximate and simplification questions, right? Don't think in the examination too you'll get that same number of questions. Here overall 50 questions that they are giving, including prelims and mains examinations. It doesn't mean like these number of questions that they are going to come in the mains prelims examinations. Just they are giving to know and to familiar with the pattern. That's it, guys. Don't think this it will be very easy, right? Here you can see 19.7%, something like this. It is very short, so don't think you will get the same easiest way in the prelims examinations. You may get the lengthier one based upon your shifts. So just go with the pattern and type of questions I'm saying. So in the first approximate they have been given, right? Just go, okay, there are chance of having approximate questions. They go and tasks, simplifications. So you need to use BODMAS rule, guys. So I don't want to give you updates on what is BODMAS. So you are already prepared, right? You know that you need to, once you are resolving, you need to follow that BODMAS rule. Okay, here they have been given problems on numbers question, and also here they have been given question on numbers only. So here based upon the averages, ratios, they have been given questions multiple based upon averages. So here they have been given data based upon the years, and also direct values that they have been given. Don't think in the examination too you will get the direct answers. There are chance of having total manufactured, so percent of sold they may give. So unsold you need to identify. So there are chance of having that kind of questions they may ask. So casted they can ask. So here one more DI they have been given. If they will provide 2 to 3 DIs, one will be the easiest one, guys. So there are tricky of 2 more if possible. So try to identify what kind of questions you need to attempt before going to solve it. So here again 2 DIs that you have seen, right? CP and SP questions, compound interest questions, and also ratio and proportions and percentages questions, time and work questions here that they have been given. Here already 50 questions that they have been given, and also in Hindi version too. So guys, before going to end up this video, I just want to give 1 to 2 points for you. Here guys, for quant you need to practice more. Just I want to give you one more important update. So last year I am unable to clear prelims examinations because of quant only, because in my quant section I got a DI of Caslate. So I have resolved this normal tabular graph, paragraph, some kind of DI, but I'm unable to resolve this Caslate DI. So because of the DI, I'm not strong in even arithmetic. So now at least I'm strong, but previous year I'm not even strong in arithmetic. So based upon weak in arithmetic, the 2 Kessler DA, I'm unable to solve at least 2 to 3 questions. Because of that, I have lost prelims examinations. It's true. So please not to be selective in the questions. Please try to learn all kind of patterns. What kind of questions you may get in your shift, you really don't know. Might be if you are weak in one type of question, if your day is bad, or if your shift may get that kind of questions, you will feel literally depressed. So please don't be selective. So while you are solving, be selective, like what type of questions and what kind of questions you are strong. But while you are preparing, don't be selective on the topics. I am saying just be prepared. Whatever the questions, type of questions may come in the examinations, just be prepared that questions. Okay. That's it, guys. So the mistake I did in the last year, now I am not doing. So that is the reason I just want to give my point of view. So because of that reason, I lost that year. So I don't want to lose again this year because of that. So now I'm at least very strong in that kind of type of DIs. Not too much strong. At least I'm able to attend now. Okay, guys. So there are few days left for the prelims examination, so please try to be more consistent, and also try to make your parents proud, try to be financially independent. And if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and day 6 I'll again back with one more video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.